Understanding when and why to factory reset your HomePod Mini is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and resolving persistent issues. A factory reset completely erases all personal settings and disconnects your HomePod Mini from your Apple ID, returning it to its original out-of-the-box state. There are three main situations when you should consider factory resetting your HomePod Mini: when the device becomes unresponsive, when experiencing persistent issues that other troubleshooting hasn't resolved, or before selling or giving the device to someone else. When your HomePod Mini shows a red light during the reset process, it indicates the device is responding to your reset command. Before resorting to a factory reset, try these simple troubleshooting steps. Check the power connection, verify your Wi-Fi connection, ensure Siri settings are correct, and try restarting the device. Many HomePod Mini issues are related to connectivity problems that can be resolved without a full reset. Always keep your HomePod Mini updated to the latest software version to resolve issues and receive performance improvements. If your device becomes unresponsive after a software update, Apple support may offer a replacement. When you do need to reset, you'll see warnings like this that confirm all content and settings will be erased. Remember, factory reset should be your last resort. Always try basic troubleshooting steps first, as they often resolve common issues without erasing your settings. There are three methods to factory reset your HomePod Mini. First, if your HomePod Mini is responsive and connected to Wi-Fi, use the Home app method. Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find it by searching for Home or locating it on your home screen. In the Home app, locate and tap on your HomePod Mini icon. Then tap the Settings button to access the device settings. Scroll down in the Settings menu and tap Reset HomePod, then select Remove Accessory. Wait for the white spinning light on top of the HomePod to disappear, indicating the reset is complete. If your HomePod Mini is unresponsive or not connected to Wi-Fi, you'll need to perform a manual reset using the physical device. First, unplug the HomePod Mini from its power adapter and wait 10 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait another 10 seconds. Now, touch and hold your finger on the top of the HomePod Mini. The white spinning light will turn red. Keep your finger down until you hear Siri announce that the HomePod is about to reset. When you hear 3 beeps, lift your finger. The HomePod Mini will complete the factory reset process automatically. As a last resort, if the previous methods don't work, you can restore your HomePod Mini using a Mac or PC computer. Connect your HomePod Mini to your computer using a USB-C cable. Make sure your computer is connected to external power before proceeding. On Mac, open Finder. On PC, open the Apple Devices app or iTunes. Select your HomePod Mini when it appears, then click Restore HomePod to begin the restoration process. The computer will restore your HomePod Mini to factory settings and update it to the latest software. This process may take several minutes to complete.